In this video, we're going to explore the web search action inside the web scraper node in TinyCommand. Web search lets you search the web directly inside your workflow without needing a website URL beforehand, because sometimes you don't already have a website URL. You only have a topic or something you want to research. Simply provide a search query and TinyCommand will find relevant information that you can use in your automations. To understand how it works, let me show you with a simple example. Here, I'll select the web search action. The first thing it asks for is the search query. This is basically the topic or information that you want to find from the web. For this example, I'll search why automation is powerful. Next, we define the number of results we want. I'll keep it as 1 because, for this example, I only need 1 relevant article. You also have a domain filter option. So if you want to search from a specific website like Medium, Reddit, or any particular domain, you can add that filter here. Once everything is configured, the web search node is ready. Now, instead of stopping here, let's build a small automation around this. The goal is simple. We'll find information from the web, use AI to convert that information into a LinkedIn post, and then publish it automatically. So next, I'll add a TinyGPT node. Here, I'll use a pre-built content generation template. Then I'll map the output coming from the web search node into TinyGPT. This means TinyGPT will take the article or information we found from the web, understand the context, and generate a LinkedIn post from it. Once TinyGPT is configured, the next step is publishing the content. So I will add a LinkedIn node. First, I'll create my LinkedIn connection. Then, inside the content field, I'll map the LinkedIn post generated by TinyGPT. Next, I'll choose who can see this post. For this example, I'll keep the visibility as public. And for content type, I'll select post. Now, our complete workflow is ready. The web search node will find relevant information based on our search query. TinyGPT will convert that information into LinkedIn content, and the LinkedIn node will automatically publish it. Let's test the workflow. As you can see, the web search node fetched the article based on our topic. TinyGPT generated the LinkedIn post using that information, and finally the LinkedIn node published the content. Now, if we open LinkedIn, you can see the post is already live. So that's how you can use the web search action inside TinyCommand. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.